Hello, third hour. How you guys doing today, or whenever you're watching this? Just coming to you about what's going to be due this week. Because we had Friday and Monday off, Friday of last week, Monday of this week off, I pushed back some due dates. So your chapter questions for chapter 25, which go through the 1920s up to Pearl Harbor, those are going to be due on Friday. So a little bit of a change with that. Which means you would have had those questions for more days than you've had the other ones, so please get those in on time. The discussion board is the same. I just rolled that into this week, which was asking about whether war between the United States and Japan was inevitable, or if it could have been prevented, and then how it had been prevented. Right now, there's only one response over there. I need more. And then our audio chat on Thursday. Thank you guys for participating in the separate calls last week with me, the one-on-ones. But again, that's not the way I want to do those. I emailed you an article to read. I have it uploaded in Teams and IC as well. I'm calling World War II the Good War. It's often been referred to as that. So our audio chat on Thursday mornings would be about whether we should call this the Good War and why or why not. I still need some essays. I have a lot of missing work from you guys. I need that work turned in ASAP. And please, please, please get the work done. Again, there's not much given to you. Let me know if you're having problems, and we could talk those through. Hope you have a good week. Talk to you soon.